Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll walk through how to add a verb to your vocabulary on the Unity AAC app. Before we begin, it's important to pause and think about a few key things. Is this word already in the vocabulary? Use Word Finder to search for the word you want to add. If it's already in your vocabulary file, you're good to go. If not, you'll want to make an informed decision about where to add it. When you add a new word, you're not just placing it anywhere. It's part of a bigger picture, like pieces to a puzzle. You're making choices that affect how your communicator learns and uses language. That's why it's helpful to understand how the vocabulary is organized. In Unity, symbols on the home screen represent symbol families. Words are grouped into semantic categories. That just means that words related in meaning are grouped together. For example, words related to eating, like eat, hungry, and food, are associated with the apple symbol. Words related to drinking, like drink, thirsty, and beverage, are associated with the juice symbol. In this tutorial, we're adding the word sip. Because sip is related to drink, we'll add it under the juice symbol. Additionally, you'll want to choose a location on that next page that has an associated meaning with a symbol on the home screen. For example, you might choose the mom and baby because the mom gives the baby a sip. Or you might choose the dice because the dice represents little and a sip is a little drink. Want to learn more about symbol families? Check out the link above. Okay, now, here's how you do it. Decide which symbol family fits your verb and select that symbol. In the top right corner, choose Menu, then select Edit Page. Remember where the Mom and Baby button was on the home page? Select it here. Then choose Add Verb Page. Type your word in the search bar and choose Add All Forms. Review the base word and its conjugations and fix any errors in the fields below. Select the magnifying glass to search for a symbol. Your word will automatically appear in the search bar. Select Search. If needed, look up related words to find a symbol that fits. When you find one, select it. Choose Save. In the top left corner, select Done. Now let's test it out.
Sip.
And that's it. You've added a new verb to your vocabulary. Want more tips? Like and subscribe for more AAC tutorials. We'll see you soon!